Right, so I was looking for a secondary pair of gaming headsets. My budget wasn't too big, under £25 ideally. Luckily, Prime Day wasn't too long ago, so I got this pair of headsets for under 20 quid. So now you have a unboxing of the MPow EG3 Pro gaming headset. Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to another video. So let's start off by at the front of the box. So we got the MPow big gaming headset, surround sound, big ear cup design, LED light, 3D surround sound, and we have the model number. If we look on the side, the same things I mentioned, so the LED light, big ear cup design, comfort fit, multi-directional wide controller, 50mm drivers. I do like it when they're 50, 40 are okay for me, but just a bit too much on the small side, and 3D surround sound. If we quickly go on the back of the box itself, we've got true surround sound effect, high quality 50mm drivers, unit provide a vivid sound field and immersive gaming experience, multi-platform compatibility, so you've got your Xbox, PlayStation, computer, Nintendo Switch and phones if you have that 3.5mm headphone jack. We have a mention of an ergonomic design as well, so I'll include some of the specification, but the full list of specs will be available in the description box below. So we've got the dual 50mm drivers, frequency range of 20Hz to 20,000 kHz, and a speaker impedance of 32 ohms. So let's move on to the unboxing part. Very easy, you just open up the tab at the top and the first thing you're presented with is a carrier bag. So no cardboard box or styrofoam for extra protection. I mean, bit weird. Luckily there was no damage at all. I mean, Amazon are pretty good, they don't chuck it about like Royal Mail. But yeah, I mean, in a way you sort of got yourself a carrier bag, so next time you go shopping you'll save yourself 10p. But that's besides the point. If we look at the actual headset itself, there are a few things included. So we've got the headset itself, accessory, the microphone filter, and we'll look at that now. In the first package we have a microphone filter, a FAQ card, and instruction manual on how to get started and how to connect it to different gaming devices. On the second package, I don't know why it says giveaway. If you do know the answer, then leave it in the comment section below. But we have a cable adapter for PC that splits out to microphone and speaker. Moving on to the main star of the show, so let's quickly talk about the design aspect. Very nice industrial-esque design. So if you look at the outer portion of the ear cups, it looks like wind turbines, and the inside padding on the ear cups is actually very nice. So when you put it on your head, it almost melts and just molds around your ear very nicely. We've got the M branding on either side. It also has LED lighting, which I will show slightly later on. We've got bolts, I believe, because the top part is actually made from metal, which I was quite surprised with. I thought it would be an all plastic design. In terms of movement for the ear cups and the swivel functionality, there isn't any actually. It's fixed into position, but the good thing about this headset is if you have a very wide head such as myself, or like Hey Arnold, then this bad boy won't have any issues fitting into your head because it expands by a huge margin. Inside the metal frame you also have a adjustable headband, so if you need to bring it down closer to your ear, or if you have a long head, then it will adjust for most head sizes. We have the branding at the top so people know you're repping that MPow gaming headset. Inline remote is included where you can scroll for volume up and down, and it also has a toggle for mute on and off. The cable is really nicely braided, so it looks like it won't break or fray easily, and it also splits to a 3.5mm cable and a USB. The USB is just used for lighting purposes, by the way. So here we have the MPow side by side with the SteelSeries Arctis 1. So this is a wired version. You can see having the 50mm driver, it is a lot larger than the SteelSeries, and to be honest, I do like the understated look of the SteelSeries Arctis 1. The MPow to some maybe slightly a bit too loud, a bit brash because of the LED lighting as well, but the design isn't too bad. I mean, you don't have to have the light on. You can see I have it demonstrated on here. You'll have the white LED come on, but if you take out the USB cable, then the light will just go off and you don't really need to have it there, just depending on your personal preference. Alright guys, so I had a little demonstration by plugging this into my laptop and listening to some audio clips. The bass is quite heavy and the sound clarity isn't bad considering the price, but I want to test it for around a week or two, try out on different platforms such as the Xbox, PlayStation, computer and the phone if I can find one with a 3.5mm jack, and bring you a comprehensive review. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of the unboxing for the MPow EG3 Pro gaming headset. If you can, try supporting me by subscribing to the channel. That will mean the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy the video, then please hit that like button. Or if you have any questions regarding this headset, or you are curious as to buying one, then do let me know in the comment section below. And as always guys, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.